Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at USS Nightmare in Newport, Kentucky, right across the river from Cincinnati, Ohio. This is a haunted house taking place on an old haunted steamboat. It's actually floating on the Ohio River. The boat's got a whole nautical theme. We're gonna meet the captain and his daughter Anna, and we're gonna take you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Well, what do we got here? Come on in, come on in. Did you guys sign up for a tour?
Yes. Yes.
Let me see. What's your guys' name?
It'd be Nora and Tyler and Tammy.
Okay, here you are.
Oh, okay.
Unless you pissed him off, then you met your fate.
You guys have a good point here.
Either you suck up, end up dead, or worse.
Now, we did not talk about the captain like that. No slander, right?
It was brutal, but guess what? It ain't over. In fact, a new reign is about to begin.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Roddy's got it. Good times are coming.
No, they're not. Our death is coming. Absolutely not.
Are we ready?
No.
Are you ready?
No. Yeah, let's go.
Louder, are we ready?
Yeah!
Right into the elevator, where you're going down a total of 666 floors.
That's a lot of floors on a boat.
I know, exactly.
Uh-oh.
Have fun, Tyler and Nora!
Okay.
I don't think
What
he
are you
looks very
looking at?
trustworthy.
The William S. Mitchell was designed and constructed by the U.S. Army.
Uh-oh.
Its purpose was to dredge the river's treacherous mouth.
Oh.
I don't recommend that.
Oh, I take this something
He ate a bug out of my hair.
Police claim human bones were
Oh, God.
I can't see him. We're here?
We made it.
We think we did. We went 666 floors down in the river.
Bye, headpants. It
Are you sure? What have you got?
was the lady in red!
The lady in red? Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, she did it?
I hear she's a real hussy.
It wasn't my fault! I put the call in, no one
We'll have to
answered!
ask her.
Nobody answered!
Somebody answered. We'll have to see if we can find her.
My fault!
Oh, she's bending over backwards. That's
Not
creepy.
disconcerting at all.
Uh-oh. Oh, God.
Kinda
Oh, Tammy.
Not normal.
It's not normal. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh, no.
Check on that later. That was open.
Oh, no. Oh, what is this?
A coin.
All right.
Give that to the bartender and save yourself. You don't think
Bartender.
This is mine.
Okay. All right. We're
Yes,
good
and I
now.
have another question for you.
Yes.
Do you want to know what fire ants are?
Yes.
Would you like to feel 1,000 of them rain down upon you and eat
No.
your flesh?
I'm gonna pass on that one.
That one's going to be going first. If you don't find my dagger, and stab the captain for me.
Oh.
Anna.
Yes. Gifts for
Give
Anna.
me that back.
Don't touch my stuff.
I didn't touch anything.
We pointed at it.
You and him.
I want the
touched
ants.
nothing.
Holy crap.
Woo! That thing is huge.
Look at that big old thing of the. Oh. I like how he went up. Oh my God. He got that guy first. Okay. That's a vampire.
Hey, dear.
Hiding. We all go in there?
Oh, we all have to go.
Okay.
Oh, God. Okay.
You seem weak.
I'm extremely weak. What are we
Kneel
doing?
before me.
No.
Kneel!
No.
Kneel.
Okay.
You too, my brother.
Okay. Oh no.
This is not going to end well.
Look out.
What is this?
Shoot.
Unless
Once
this
you entered my sanctuary, you signed your souls over to me. Now both belong to me.
Oh God.
Unless this is Fireball, I don't want it.
Yes, you will make
It's Fireball.
wonderful vampires.
Oh
Now,
yeah. Well.
on the count of 3, I need the loudest Hail Satan I've ever heard. Make him proud.
Hail
Ready?
Satan. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hail Satan!
Now
Yeah.
drink, my dears, drink! Yes.
That's good. Whatever that is.
You have made Satan proud.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
I don't know if
good.
that's,
That's a good
I don't know
thing,
if that's good or
right?
bad. We're now vampires. We're
The androids are
vampires.
coming! Look how beautiful they are!
So lovely.
Oh,
Hello.
oh God.
How did it taste? How did it taste?
You're not wonderful.
Oh, let me run. Oh, you're beautiful. We're good, we're good!
No, it's you again!
They're stuck in us back here.
We
Hey,
gotta go.
darling,
Oh, God.
this one right here is for your dinner. Yes. Give this one.
Unfortunately, I cannot, darling. She joins our coven.
Yes.
She is now one of ours.
Yes.
Oh,
Don't betray me.
Okay, we won't.
I can't guarantee that.
Chicken. I know it was your sacrifice that ushered in a new age of darkness.
Yeah, new darkness.
Ew, there's a spider.
Ah!
No, Tammy, no. Are we gonna make him come out or something?
I don't know. I have a feeling we're summoning the devil.
Look at all these symbols everywhere.
It's voodoo. It's witchcraft.
Oh, there's somebody. That's not. I done made a try on somebody's face. I think there was. Oh my.
Yeah, you were in the way. Oh, you.
I'm always in the way.
Oh, I don't know about you. Maybe you. Yeah.
Is that me?
Yeah, you'd be perfect.
Finally, you brought in soldiers.
I brought him.
How many times have I told you to actually bring good ones?
He's a good one.
That's debatable.
Come on.
The rest of you, follow me.
What are we doing?
And how about one of these two right here?
One of those?
They're her. She'd be perfect.
You know what you're built for. Come on, take it.
What am I
Oh, she's gonna take the
Take it.
I don't want
Drink the potion.
Drink it.
Say please. Say please.
There's a zombie by you.
Where are the bench? Yes!
We've achieved results.
Those soldiers, get in.
Crap. Oh no.
Oh, don't give me that.
Oh shoot.
Now, let's see if the serum actually did anything for you.
You must reroute power to the radio room so we can call for help. Hurry!
You're just gonna stand there and actually do something. Come on.
Power to the radio room.
Maybe you should have got the serum instead.
Maybe.
Emergency power.
I don't understand what's happening here.
Too slow.
Why am I not
I don't think that was
surprised?
a winner.
Another loser. I'm not getting out of this either.
Oh, what'd you get?
Neither are you.
You getting something too? Oh.
Go on,
an
go make
anchor.
the cabin now. They'll have more
Why
fun.
is that stamped? What is on my face?
An anchor. They branded us for losing.
Wonderful. Wonderful. I thought the bell meant we won.
Well, we're going up where the paddle wheels are.
Yeah, those things.
Jumpy, are we?
It's just little.
No, what is it?
It's the lady in red.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Well, they said that you were
Well,
trapped.
hello, sailors.
Well,
Welcome
hello.
to Lieutenant Debauchery.
Oh.
Don't have too much fun or you won't make it out alive.
Oh.
Okay.
Like what you've done with the place
said
here.
They said you were getting held captive here, but it doesn't really look that way.
No, you are just pumped out of here.
Oh no.
I need some new partners.
No,
These
you
fellas are just dead weight.
Oh.
They kind of look that way.
Right this way. Do you have a token?
Yeah. It's a
Run in,
speakeasy.
Tammy.
Come on. Oh shoot.
Okay.
Woo.
All right. Looks like we got a party going. Ooh, a token of appreciation. Perfect. All right. You and I are gonna play a little game. Go ahead and take this coin, put it on one of these numbers. If I roll the same number, you win a prize. 6, favorite number.
Oh.
4. I'm so
It's a 4.
sorry. You know what that means, right?
I got a drink.
Nope.
That's good.
Oh, God.
What's it mean?
What does
It
it
means
mean?
you're cursed.
Oh no.
I just won her fair and square. You guys go along and see the captain. She's staying
God.
here with me. Bye.
Bye, Nora.
Bye, your friends. They're not even
Nice knowing
fighting for
you.
you.
I got 6 seconds to get down here. Watch out. Watch
She
out.
got 6.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Go, Tammy. Go. She's gonna take 2 of us if we don't make it down that way.
Steamboat! Are you sure? Come here! Come here. You guys go that way.
Oh, we gotta go this way. Oh, Timmy went that way.
Oh, it stinks in here.
Where did she go?
What'd you do with her?
Maybe that's her.
Maybe.
Oh, there
She's
she
not blonde.
is.
She's right there.
Oh,
Woo!
there's Tammy.
We got
Right
Tammy
this
back.
way. Don't let Hannah turn you into one of her dollies.
Anna. Oh no. Anna. Anna.
Anna.
Oh, there's Anna.
There she is.
Oh, it's a bunny. I love
Angry
that.
dollies.
Ah,
Angry dollies.
that's awesome.
Ralphie's on crack.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh no.
Oh, she's coming out of the picture.
Hi.
Are you here to be my forever and ever?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. It doesn't hurt that bad.
I'm sure he does.
All I gotta do is rip those little limbs apart, put some stuffing in there, and sew you back together like a little dead dolly.
No, that's oh! What do you want me to do?
You're gonna be my new dolly.
What?
Come on, all of you.
There's more and more of that all over.
We got more victims.
3 of us.
Oh, yeah?
Right in there.
Tammy's like, oh.
All
I
right.
suck at this.
The captain's ordered us to lock you in here. We got that.
Yes.
And hopes you all can save the ship.
I don't consent to being locked in the room.
Too bad.
Oh.
We're beeped.
Damn it.
All right, we hope we can save the ship. If not, you
We're
guys are gonna
beeped.
be.
We're gonna be beeped.
Yeah.
We have to save the ship.
Yeah. Exactly.
We have to save the ship.
Okay.
How do we save the ship?
I've ordered the radio room locked. We have taken heavy damage from hitting the bridges. Monitor the ship's communications for any problems and keep the Coast Guard apprised of our situation.
Now what do we do?
You saved my ship from sinking. I guess I owe you one.
To kill us.
Anxious to get
Oh, it opened up.
I think we go that way.
I think we can go.
All right, come on, get in here.
Okay.
You're not real loud because she can't hear you.
Gotta knock
Not
loud.
really loud.
Welcome to the Nerd Carnival! Step right in!
She
Step
lied.
right in!
Oh, let's see you. God, see you.
Oh, you're my precious. Step right here! Step right here!
Is this tested on animals?
It's being
Found
tested
fire
on
drill.
one now.
Do not push.
Step right there!
I hear you.
It's
All
great.
right, let's see you see it. Ah, sprinkles!
Angry
Can we push the
clowns.
button? So silly.
Hello. Hi. Do you have something in your hat?
Hello.
Don't ask about my hat!
Aww. Oh no, you don't trust clowns.
Don't trust the clowns.
I said, why are you walking so slow? Come on! Better keep moving now.
Oh, shut up, stupid! If you really want to know what's in my hat, I'll show you.
I would like to know.
Anna, you see my eye?
Nope.
No.
Anna ripped the skin off of my eye! Where are you going, Costu?
She has her skin in her
She
hat.
ripped the skin off of her eye?
Yeah. You want to touch it?
Sure.
Oh.
You want to touch it?
Yeah, that's you.
have
That's
lovely
right.
hair.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
That'd be nice for Come on! Don't you want to play? We can play Nightmare!
Oh my God! She's down there.
Oh yeah.
Look at her leg.
Oh God.
It's not normal.
That's not supposed to go up there.
No, honey, you're doing it wrong.
Oh.
Okay, all right. Have you been eating the poopy?
I'm not supposed to eat the poopy.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh God, there's a big spider. Big old biter.
Oh, biter.
Ooh, I'm hungry though.
Walk on up. I got something for you. You ready to eat?
Of course you do.
It's human jerky.
Human jerky.
Give it a taste.
It's like
I know how to
recycling.
cook.
It's delicious.
Well, thank you. It's because I know how to cook.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
I'm gonna go through. You ready, then, pig?
Yeah, that's great. I hope that was
They'll help it be painless.
More stuff.
Oh no.
Don't forget to swallow.
Oh God.
Oh, I think I'll take mine later.
No, you gotta take it now.
Oh God.
Trash, please.
Those are spicy too.
I just swallowed
Thank
it.
you for
I don't know.
medicine.
Uh-oh, he don't look right. He took that pill too.
I don't like it.
I don't either.
He needs more anesthesia.
Oh.
You're gonna want to put your hands on your head.
Hands on our head. Oh man.
Warning.
Not be good.
Specimen detected.
Contaminated specimen detected.
Tammy, you're contaminated.
Prepare for decontamination.
Prepare for decontamination.
I don't trust it.
Oh, it's getting foggy.
My skin is burning.
Oh God.
We got
Done all done
decontaminated.
up for your examination,
Was it supposed to burn?
Oh, that's a new one.
Okay.
As always, my name is Dr. Acula.
Acula.
Thanks,
He had
Acula.
fangs as well. Oh, that's gross.
Gotta take all of your body fluids.
That's
Oh.
A
unfortunate.
kidney, some organs.
I kind of need all of them.
You don't have 2 kidneys?
I want both of them. What about her kidney?
How many kidneys do you have?
5.
5? I'll
She's
have
a
to
bit of
take
an
all of
anomaly.
them. That's going to be perfect.
Okay, can we do it? Can we do it later?
Where do you think you're going?
I don't have any kidneys either.
None? I have 5.
I don't have any of those organs either. I'm fresh out of organs. I don't have any. Don't have any.
Following us.
I'll see if I can find some organs for you.
Say hi to the captain.
Oh, that's the river.
Oh no, Tyler! There's webs everywhere.
Oh,
Fudge. Ooh, they got the clown! The spiders got the clown!
oh, got him.
Oh my God, no! They're really. I swear to God, something better not touch me.
There's moisture.
Tammy, move! Ew, that's so gross!
Would you like to be a part of our perfect experiment?
No, I'm
No,
gonna pass.
ma'am.
Dose and you'll be perfect like this.
Oh, that sounds easy.
No.
No, you thought you got rid of me? How cute! I'm everywhere, sweetheart!
Oh God, that's a really big syringe. Oh my God.
You're doing it beautiful, Jill.
Big syringe.
You make perfect soldiers.
No.
Great soldier, wouldn't you?
That is not a
I'm gonna
soldier.
pass.
Ma'am, that's not a soldier. No.
You like my beautiful creation? Yeah!
Woo!
Right this way. I got a hiding spot for you guys.
Hiding spot?
Doctor will never find you in here. Go along now. Remember, I said he won't find you in here.
Oh, where'd they
You'll
go?
be unrecognizable. You've got to solve these problems.
Have to solve
Want
them?
to get your directions? Minus has got they put aside. Plus, minus.
Plus and minus. Plus and minus, yeah. Save them. Yes.
Oh no! They're never getting out!
Oh no.
Oh yeah!
Hey!
Stick it in!
Hey!
I know he cheated! Sparky doesn't like cheating!
Nope! Sparky doesn't like it! Sparky's getting Sparky out of here!
Uh-oh. Sparky!
Sparky's getting Sparky! Easy, Sparky! It'll be okay.
Oh no.
Look at this, it's a skull furnace.
Oh, it is. Look at that. Uh-oh.
What is touching?
Come out of nowhere.
Oh my God! She's right through there.
Not me!
Oh yes, you. Oh God! Ew!
Just
Ew!
Spidey webs.
Tyler, shut up.
Those creatures.
Really in there? Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, Wendy.
Don't be long! One up!
You don't like it?
Alright guys, that was it for USS Nightmare. Let us know what you thought. If you enjoyed this tour, we've got another haunted ship tour that we're going on here in a couple weeks. Stay tuned to the channel for that one. But until then, I've got a link for you right here to another haunt right here in Cincinnati. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.